Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to leave a Life360 circle. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to manage your circles and leave one when you no longer need to be a part of it. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store and search for the app and make sure that there is no pending update. And if there is update button, then make sure to update the app. Now open the Life360 app on your phone, and once you're in the app, you will see the map and all the circles you are part of. At the top of the screen, you can see the circle name you are currently viewing. So tap on this to open the list of all your circles. Now select the circle you want to leave by tapping on its name. And once you have selected the circle you want to leave, look at the top left corner of your screen and then click on Settings icon. This will take you to the settings for that specific circle. In the Circle Settings menu, look for the option of Circle Management. Now in this menu, scroll down until you see the option that says Leave Circle. Tap on it and you will be asked to confirm that you want to leave the circle. So after confirming, you will no longer be the part of circle and your location will no longer be shared with the members of that circle. Once you leave the circle, your profile will be removed from that circle and you would not receive any notifications or updates related to it anymore. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.